Well, you'll see why I'm a little freaky about it because,
It's on AK now.
What?
AK.
That's okay. I'm not worried about the AK. I'm more worried about the drones. We can bring it around. Oh wait.
Sure you want to fly it on the grass?
Oh yeah, it's fine. I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried about it being able to sustain itself.
It will. It's recording.
Okay.
All right, man.
Hold on. Once it goes, beep, beep. I need a satellite stuff. I got 0 satellites, which it might take a while for the satellites to come on because.
You know what you should do? You should look at your camera here. Put it back on so you can see that. Make sure that the propeller thing is. It's a little off right now. So
what's off?
The camera angle. Put it on the. Put it on the app.
Hold on 1 second.
It has to be readjusted. Those are the little things. And let's see if it disturbs your GPS too.
Yeah, I know. I hear you.
It was fun. I'm glad you. Surprise!
Well, I figured since you're here, you'll be able to see where it crashes.
Oh, don't say that, man. Come on.
Here. Oh, I see what you mean. That's fine.
Move it up a little more. See it? It's pretty good, except for right there. It's good.
Nice.
I had to adjust mine when I did it.
Here, take that.
Okay.
Oh wait, not this one. Sorry, we want this view.
I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna watch.
Well,
that.
just in case. I don't know. No, because you're gonna be here.
That's great. I'm gonna learn too many things at one time.
Oh, but you can. You have the time. You have the technology.
You have time to teach and still too, you know?
Yeah.
Because I have a lot of friends. I tell you the truth. You're one of the few guys that will sit down and show me and stuff. Other people, they read the book. And that's it. I'm trying to make it easy for everybody else.
So I have with this one. Look. Oh, 12 satellites.
Good.
Oh no, but 12. It should jump though. No, it's actually. Hold on. Let's start. Ready? Yeah. You had none?
Mine, yes, because my camera interfered with it. I had to turn the camera
Oh no,
off.
I forgot to press record.
No, did you?
No.